Hello and welcome to Coaster Gents, and today we're flying to Orlando, Florida. So in just a second, my uncle will be here to take us to Manchester Airport, where we'll be flying straight to Orlando International to do all the theme parks. So we're going mainly for Halloween Horror Nights, so we're doing 2 nights from there. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, Hollywood Studios, Epcot, Islands of Adventure, Universal, Downtown Disney, and so much more. I'm so excited for this trip, and mainly Halloween Horror Nights. There's going to be mazes like Stranger Things, Chucky, loads of original houses like Dueling Dragons and Dr. Oddfellow, who's the icon for this year. I'm so excited. So let's head to Manchester Airport. Check-in all done, and now it's time to drop our bags off just here. It's definitely quicker if you do the check-in online because you avoid all of that queue for that. So bags all checked in now it's time to head through security.
And I thought Virgin was great. I just don't like the fact that it wasn't a robot. The woman just come up to us and said, what do you want to do? You want to check in, self-check-in? There it is. When we get to self-check-in, there's another woman can help you, yeah. Did it full help all the way through, even to when we walk out looking lost, the guy says, come this way, get your passport, we're away.
Yeah, let's head in. So already in Terminal 2 there are so many food options, and I'm heading straight for bar burrito. So I've got my burrito. I actually got student discount on it as well, so it's only £7, and it's quite a lot to be fair. And the rest of my family are up at the pub, so I'm gonna eat my burrito and then meet them up there because our flight isn't until 20 to 3. Straight from the burrito bar to the pub. So it's quite an expensive venue, but if you want to have a look. Here we are then, waiting for the plane.
Look, I'm on one of them stools.
The time has finally come to board the plane, so we're just going to head to gate 202 now, and I'll share the full process of getting on our Virgin Atlantic plane. First little snack then of the flight, so we got a Coke Zero, a tiny little bottle of vodka, and this barbecue crunchy corn nibbles. But I can't lie, they have put their seat down in front of me, which does limit it, but just put it up, just heard me. But there is quite a lot of leg room on a Virgin flight. But yeah, the seat is down in front of me. But yeah, it's all looking good. This is making me laugh though. So here's our first meal then. Just over an hour and a half into the flight. So I've gone for the Portuguese chicken and rice, and then we've got a roll, a salad with like tomatoes and mozzarella in it, cheese, crackers, chocolate mousse pot, and an apple juice, and some butter for the crackers. But yeah, looks nice. And Mum's had the funny looking pasta. So food all done. The chicken and rice was actually so nice, but the bread roll was really dry and the crackers were great. Haven't touched the salad because it looks a very sad salad. But now it's time for the choc pot, which I'm dead excited for. Second meal of the flight then is a afternoon tea. So we've got a scone that's really warm, apple juice, and let's have a look in the box. A funky looking sandwich. Got all our suitcases and now we're heading in. SeaWorld poster, it's suddenly becoming real again. I've never ran to a shop so quick in my life. Welcome to Florida. That's not real. Well, I know it is, but... So yeah, we've got the car all sorted and now we're going to pick it up. But it's now 8 o'clock and we landed at 6:30, so that took ages. The sky looks like there's a strobe light in it. And it's really hot. We are then on level 6. The storm is really strong winds at the moment, but yep, let's walk down to our room. So just over there, look, just at the top of my finger, that's Epcot. Just over there you can see it all lit up. And here we go into the room. Lovely air conditioning. So we've got 2 double beds, a safe, wardrobe and TV. And let's head into the bathroom. So we've got a fridge and microwave, normal bathroom stuff. And yeah, it looks great. We'll do a full tour of the Rosen Inn and the full hotel and room in a separate video, which will be uploaded as soon as this one's done. So make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss that full hotel tour, as well as all of our other vlogs from Halloween Horror Nights, Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, SeaWorld and so much more. It's pouring in. The box is getting so good. This is great vlog footage.
Filming?
Yeah.
Not me. I don't want to be in the park.
So the Rosen Inn has got car parks all the way around all the different blocks. So this is car park D, and it's got a car park this side and a car park the other side as well. So you won't need to worry about getting a space. So here is our car. Not exactly sure what it is, but it is very fancy. So I'll show you some footage from inside it.